Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J. I'm powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a stitch called Crunch Stitch. It is a very simple stitch, though the name is a little dicey. This stitch uses half double crochet and slip stitches. Again, a combination of stitches of different heights, which gives you this pattern. This is again yet another reversible stitch, and it can be used for hot pads and other projects as well. Okay, to demonstrate this, I'm going to use a 5 mm clover amor hook, hobby store magenta iron 100% premium acrylic anti-pill medium weight 4 yarn with color code 2042. Let me make the required number of chains and get back to you. It requires multiples of 2 stitches plus 1 as the foundation chain. I have made 12 chains plus 1, 13, and in the second stitch from the chain from the hook, make a double crochet, half double crochet, sorry, and then slip stitch into the next. Don't make your slip stitches tight. Again a half double crochet in the next, slip stitch into the next, half double crochet in the next. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. It's a repeat of slip stitch and half double crochet till the end. I've come to the end of the row here. Make a slip stitch to the very last chain. So you begin with a half double crochet and end with a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and turn. You can see the pattern forming here. If this cross is not visible, that means you've made a mistake. You can see that there is a small error here. I'll correct it and get back to you. Now I corrected my error that I had in my third stitch. I had unconsciously made a single crochet over there. So you should be very consciously work half double crochet and slip stitch. So chain 1 and turn. Half double crochet in the first slip stitch here. Slip stitch into the double crochet, sorry, half double crochet, again half double crochet in the slip stitch. Don't make your stitches too tight. So continue the same till the end. So you'll be ending with the slip stitch in the last stitch. So this is how it appears. So I'll make 1 or 2 more rows and get back to you. I have made 2 more rounds here. So this is how it looks. It's a reversible pattern. It gives a beautiful wavy effect, and it's really textured for its name, Crunch. It looks like crunches here. Thank you friends for watching. The finished swatch or a pattern will look like this. Thank you friends for watching this video. I'll be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon, because you'll be notified of new videos that we upload on and off. Thank you friends once again for watching. Have a great day.